How to fix Starlink Unplug or rebooting. So we have a few options over here you can go ahead and try, since this problem can be somewhat common, and with that it could have multiple reasons why it's happening. So if your Starlink system says unplugged or rebooting, it usually means there's a power issue, some loose cables, maybe hardware faults, or most of the time the problem is with the cable between the router and the dish, not the dish itself. So you can follow one of these to see if it works for you. If not, you can go ahead to customer support, mention that you have tried a few options, and see if they can help. But first of all, you can fully power it down. Unplug the Starlink router from the wall outlet, wait at least 5 minutes before plugging it back in. This allows the system to completely reset. You can also check all the cable connections, so firmly unplug and replug the power cable into the router, the cable going from the router to the Starlink dish. So make sure they click in securely. A slightly loose cable is the most common cause of the unplugged message. You can also go ahead and try inspecting the cable for damage, so you can check for bends or sharp kinks, cuts or crushed sections, or water damage near connectors. If the cable is damaged, you may need a replacement from Starlink. You can also go ahead and try avoiding power strips, which is temporary. You can plug the router directly into a wall outlet, and faulty surge protectors or extensions can cause reboot loops. Now this is temporary to see if the problem is caused by this. If not, you can just plug it back into your power strip. But you can also check the Starlink app if it's available for you. So look for offline or disconnected alerts, run a cable test if it's available, and check for firmware updates. You can also do a factory reset, which is basically quickly unplugging and plugging it back in 6 times in a row within 2 minutes. Not really sure why this is how it's done, but you can wait for it to fully restart. So if your reboot loop continues, this is what you can try. So this resets your Wi-Fi name and password. But these are a few things you can try to potentially stop your Starlink from the unplugged or rebooting error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.